Hi everyone, my name is Safon Nomoka. Today I'm going to be talking about importance of coffee in our life. According to some research, there are some findings that states that coffee can help us lower our chances of having strokes in future. Coffee is said to have an antioxidant, which also can help us reduce and improve our blood vessel functions. And according to research, people that drink coffee like 1 cup or twice daily have a 20% chance of reducing their risk of developing strokes. And the people that even drink more than 2 cups of coffee daily have even a better chance of not developing stroke. Human beings have can reduce their risk of stroke by drinking coffee. So drinking coffee only cannot actually help you to reduce the risk of having stroke. But by combination of healthy lifestyle and drinking coffee also can help you actually reduce your risk of having stroke by 20%. And there's um there's also a risk of reducing drinking two at least drinking 2 cup of coffee daily also can reduce your risk of developing intercellular hemorrhage. That means intercellular hemorrhage is like a bleeding in the brain. So by drinking two cup of coffee daily can help you reduce the impact of developing that disorder, which is a bleeding in the brain, by 32%. Even though coffee have so many benefits, there are so many research have said that coffee have so many benefits to help us like several medical conditions. Um, but still, there's also some disadvantage of drinking too much coffee because coffee, in the sense that when you drink too much, can affect some blood pressure medication, which are also called calcium channel blockers. So patients who take blood pressure medication are advised actually not to drink coffee because that will increase their heart rate, they'll increase their blood pressure and give them more high blood pressure. And it also will affect the medication they are taking. So the medication they are taking will be affected, and which means that if a patient that take blood pressure medication drink a lot of coffee, there's not going to be an impact or any positive result from the medication they're taking because their blood pressure will always be high. So, for example, even people that doesn't have high blood pressure, for example, a patient goes to outpatient or to go doctor visit, and you had like a cup of coffee early that day. When you go to the doctor's office and when they check your blood pressure, you will see a slightly high in your blood pressure because of the intake of coffee earlier, you know. So, apart from the benefit, there are so many benefits that coffee can contribute in our life. So, coffee can help in area of diabetes. It can help to protect our liver. Coffee also can help in the protection of the cardiovascular health. That means coffee encourage or promote cardiovascular health. So, but even apart from that, all the benefits, still there's no study that prove that coffee, the reason why coffee can lower the stroke, or the reason why drinking coffee help humans to lower their risk of developing stroke. So there are still researchers, they are still studying, they are still finding, trying to find a way to prove the reason why. But to date, nobody have ever proven to find the reason why the antioxidant in coffee help to lower the risk of developing strokes. Um, Apart from all the benefits of drinking coffee, coffee also have some disadvantage because when you drink too much of coffee, you're pushing yourself to a higher risk of developing high blood pressure, which which is not good for your health. So drinking coffee should be based on moderate. you know, because according to some, even the video that I watched, they said that people that drink more than 6 cups of coffee, they are lowering their chance of developing stroke, but increase their chance of getting high blood pressure. So drinking coffee in moderation and plus healthy living can help us lower our chance of having a healthy life, and also help us to reduce our chance of developing strokes. So in conclusion, I believe that combination of coffee, healthy living, exercise can help us reduce our life, reduce our way, or reduce or help us improve our way of living, and help us reduce our chance of developing different medical conditions which can affect our day-to-day living. So coffee, even though it's out there that coffee has an antioxidant that help in the reduction of or reduce your risk of developing stroke, still there's no proof that um, out there that show the reason or the fact or something that particular we can hold on to that conclude that there's something in coffee that actually reduce the risk of developing stroke. So this is where I'm going to stop today, and I hope I was able to explain a little bit about the benefit of coffee and some disadvantage of drinking too much coffee, which can also lead to high blood pressure. Thank you very much. Bye.